And we're going to, I had the rear swing arm done in 2K satin black. More zinc plated bolts. The shock absorber, a little adjuster cup at the bottom, zinc plated, all the bolts zinc plated. I painted the spring with a special red I'm going to use for the wheels, and just on the shock gold, just it's not going to be seen too much, just a little bit of contrast colour, and again cleaned the aluminium with the Scotch Brite wheel and protected it with some lacquer. And some new bearings, so it's going to hopefully well done in this episode, so let's get to it. Because firstly I'm going to put a little bit of grease on the main swing arm bolt, and I'm going to put some blue Loctite on the threads. Next, screw on the nut. Just going to do it hand tight for the meantime. Get these all torqued up later. Next, I'm going to install the lower shock pivot. The larger of the two bolts goes in the front hole here. It's a little bit tight with the powder coating, but small bit of persuasion it'll go in. Next we install the two link rods, which goes from the pivot point up to the rear arm. So we'll get that tightened up and check back in with then. Now for the rear shock. Just lower the arm a little.